lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 let's get it. Child, please, I don't need a towel, please. This is easy as a breeze. I can't teach you how to be me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. You all are gonna love me after this video. Y'all know I'm always looking out for my girls who cannot cornrow and cannot braid. This is also a tutorial for my short naturals out there, maybe even my medium length, who really desire long hair and have been struggling to grow it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fake it, but make it look really natural, of course. So y'all know I love me a good V-part wig, and this one from Unice hair, when I tell y'all it's phenomenal, whew, that's an understatement. It's so good. If you use my discount code below, you guys can also get some of these goodies, so be sure to use that. So this is the V-part wig, y'all. This is in the Afro Kinky Curly texture, and when I tell y'all it blends so well with my hair, I was like, man, this is probably one of the better blends. So right now I'm showing you all the V cutout at the part, and this is where you can decide to wear leave out or not wear leave out, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it both ways. I also really like that this cap is a breathable cap, so you can stick your fingers through if you need to get to your scalp. So that's really awesome. Now, although I really like the curls right out of the package, y'all know it's always better to co-wash your hair. So be sure to do that. So I'm going to show you all that process using my Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner, as well as my Felicia Leatherwood brush to detangle and also define those curls. And then I'll come back on. I'm not sure if you all caught this, but for a styler this time around, I ended up using the Melanin Hair Care leave-in, and that worked out so well. I love that leave-in because it leaves the hair nice and soft. It also gives it a really nice sheen, so I'd highly recommend. So now that I've completed that process, it's time for my natural hair prep. I'm just going to prep the leave-out portion, and granted, I did already have my hair slicked down. I'd recommend doing this the night before so that you save some time, especially for my texture. So I'm just going to part it off in a V shape. This is very helpful when installing your unit. Now, because my hair was already slicked down, I did have to use more leave out than I would typically use. You can definitely use a smaller leave out portion than this, so don't be alarmed. And these are my staple products that I always use when slicking my hair down. I apply the all natural curl defining glaze first, follow it up with the Eco Styler gel, and then apply the Got To Be glue gel in the yellow bottle. So I'm just gonna secure my leave out portion out of the way, and then I'm gonna braid up the back, or plait it rather. But keep in mind, you don't have to do cornrows. You can do the easy plaits like I've done, or you can do chunky twists in the back, or you can even do flat twist.
Go on, come on and catch that vibe. Don't stop until the feeling's right. Spin around, come on, let's take a ride. We'll be feeling good in no time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. It's as simple as ABC. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like that. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, bum, like that. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.
Alright y'all, now it's time for the fun part. It's time to install this V part, and this is probably one of the most beginner friendly units to install. There are clips on each opposing side of the part. All you need to do is open those up, and you're going to insert those into your hair, not into your scalp, and you want to push forward and then clip it. That's going to help to reduce tension, and it's going to ensure that they're nice and secure, and you won't be in pain when wearing the unit.
Look over here, I'm gonna show you what I got. Cause once I get it, no, I'm never gonna stop. It's so effortless, don't even need to try. I'm gonna do my thing DIY. I like it flawless and I like it clean. Watch how I do it, all eyes on me. Just like a fantasy, just like a dream. Watch how I do it now. Just do it like that.
Y'all, I cannot get over how well this hair texture blends with my own. It looks so great, right?
Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's easy as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like this. Just do it, just do it, just do it. It's simple as that. Just do it, 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 just do it like that.
Now, before we get into how to wear the unit with no leave out, I'm going to show you guys a quick style that's easy to do, and it's a style that I've been rocking a lot lately, and you all seem to really like it.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love, and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you.
Alright, so now that I have on my wig cap and my hair is tucked away, I'm going to show you guys a no leave out method, and this one doesn't require any teasing. It also doesn't require any braids. For this method, you want to position the V right near the part, and you want to clip it down, and then we're going to crochet hair from the unit into the hair that's slicked down. So be sure that your hair is already slicked down for this method. It's also a really good idea to find hair that best matches your hair texture. Y'all, this method is so genius. When I tried it out this time, I was like, man, I should have been doing this all along. It's so easy, and you can even close up the space between the V and your part a little more. When I was doing mine for the video, I wasn't as intentional about closing it up, but you can feel free to do that, and you won't have as much of your hair exposed.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls,
Doesn't this look so good, y'all? I cannot wait to hear your feedback. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications for this unit, as well as the discount code so that you guys can get 10% off and also take advantage of getting some of the goodies. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like this video, share it with a friend, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory.